Alright, now the next part I'll do is for those newbies that are a little bit unsure of how the awnings work. I remember the first time I did it, I had to watch a YouTube video. I had no idea how to get the awning out. So I always come to this front one first. Release this latch. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. I loosen off the back notch and just lift that out. Then on this side, you do the same thing. Travel position, lift that up, loosen it off at the back. I lift that out, and then this part here, there's a latch. So this is what's going to allow the barrel to unroll. So you push that all the way out. They do give you a little hook to get the little latch, but it's right up there. It's really hard to get to. So what I do is actually stand on the step. I just unroll it a little bit. Probably see that water dripping. It's not good to roll it up wet, but we were only traveling half an hour, so I only just put it away. I'm unpacking it so it'll have time to dry and wouldn't get mold. So yeah, now you can see I can reach this, so I just bring it all the way out. To about there, and then bring your arms out. They just slide and latch in place. Same on this side, like so. I also put the tensioner. This isn't the anti-flap kit, this is something different. I don't know if I'll put the anti-flap kit on today, we'll see what the wind forecast is going to be. But I usually put this on here so I can reach it, because once the awning goes up, I've got to stand on a step to get to these. So I just put them on. I'll do the same on this side. So that'll just tension the awning, and then you grab that little handle that I released before, this part here, pull that out to release the pin, and then slide it up. But I need two hands to do that. You'll soon learn which little hole to line up with, so it clears the door and stuff like that. For us, it's the second hole from the top. That allows it to be, a little bit angled down, and then we can still drop it, but it gives us plenty of room for the door to swing still without touching. So yeah, that's pretty well done. I slide that out of the way, and then I still do need to grab the step for this next part. So this top bar, I put a bit of tension on that and then tighten it. And do the same on the other side. And that's it. That's the Carefree awning. I'm sure most of them are pretty well the same. All set up. So I'll usually just throw the guide rope around the barrel as well, and just peg it down. So I'll do that shortly, but I'll lay the mat out first and get all the pegs and do it all in one hit. But hopefully that was straightforward and easy for you to figure out. Definitely took me a couple of times to get comfortable with it, but we're getting the hang of it now.